everyone, and welcome back to Emily's World. Today we're in Australia and we're going to SeaWorld. Here now at SeaWorld at the Gold Coast. Come follow me inside. Don't worry, adults who are watching this is a kids review. We're here and there's a roller coaster over there. We're going to the penguin encounter. I'm so excited.
Okay, we experienced that in a while, so that we can regulate.
So guys, we're going on this ride next and the line is so long. But it looks like a good ride. I think you guys should try it. Whoa, so cool! Just went on this ride called Storm and it got me pretty wet. There's this bit where you go underground and it like shoots water to the people that are watching from the sides. It's so funny. Look at this bit. It's like water going everywhere. Whoa! And when they go in there, the water splashes. We're going on the submarine. And I'm getting dizzy. It feels like when you get up here.
Is that fun?
Is it slowing down? Thank you guys for joining me here today at SeaWorld. And my favorite ride was probably the jet ski ride. And thank you for joining me here. Bye-bye. And please like and subscribe.